So as many of y'all know, I love magnetic eyelashes. I've tried a few different brands, and today we have a new brand to try. So this is the Posta magnetic eyelashes and eyeliner. Let's go. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to our channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything you'd like to see me try, leave it in the comment section down below. And give this a video a big thumbs up. It will certainly help out the channel. Today, I got these off of Amazon. I'll leave them linked in the description down below. I already have my makeup done. So we are going to unbox and review these. The packaging's kind of just a cardboard box. That's really all it is. It's just a thin cardboard box. And it's just got the 2 eyeliners, and then it's got just a plastic tray with all the lashes. There are all the different types of lashes. We are going to do these ones right here in the middle, and they are on magnetic strips, so they have magnets like, hold on, like that. You can see those little magnets in there. So we're going to be trying that on today. The only instructions it has are on the back. Shake bottle before use. Make sure you pass the allergy test. Performance will be better to put eyelashes after the eyeliner dries out completely. Refine the eyeliner also. Perfect performance. Avoid the product entering your eyes. Carefully draw eyeliner line with the shape of your eye. Enclosure to the lid. Ensure the line close to the roots of your real eyelashes. Bend the magnetic eyelash band so it makes it softer to adjust to fit your eye shape. Take the end tip of the hair tweezers or fingers and put above your real eyelashes. Then make sure the band slowly close to and gently adjust. Okay, so pretty simple. Let's go ahead and shake the eyeliner. And we are going to put this on, like they say, right above the eyelashes. Okay. I'll wait for that to dry. We got one done. Okay, so we got eyeliner on both eyes, and we're gonna wait for that to dry. And once that dries, we will put them on. The application process of the eyeliner is pretty smooth. It don't look too bad. Of course, I got out of line in a couple areas. Now, if I go out of line in areas whenever I do my eyeliner, I tend not to go back and try to fix that because you end up making it real thick. So if it's just a little bit like on that eye right here, I just leave it like that. It actually dries pretty quickly, so let's go ahead and take the lashes that we want to use. And we're going to do like they said and move them with the band. And place them where we want them. Oh, not right there. Okay. Let's try using their applicator because, well, they sent it for a reason, so. Okay, so we're going to put that in the middle right there and adjust it how we want it. And that looks pretty good. So now let's take the other one and we will do the same thing. Roll it between the fingers to loosen up that band. Okay, grab it, place it as close to the lash line as possible, and adjust. Okay, so I think those are on completely. And that's how they look. These are a little wispies. Okay, so we're gonna do a wear test on these. I do have to go to work, so we're gonna wear these for all the time that I go to work, which I work from 8 to 5. So we will wear these the whole day, and then I will come back and let you know what I think about this product. So I'll see you in about 8 hours. Okay, so here are the eyelashes. It's actually been about 10 hours, not 8. I am at home now, and I haven't had, as you can see, they're still on there. I pulled up that edge just a minute ago right there. But that was me, wasn't the lash. I haven't had any issues, I haven't had any issues with these all day. So these are definitely Stephanie approved. I will definitely leave a link in the description box down below. And I did use these ones right here. So we're gonna go ahead and take these off and see how easy the removal is. Oh yeah, very easy. And do they pop right back on? Yes, yes they do. So there you go. So I definitely recommend these lashes. Like I said, I haven't had any issues with them lifting all day. They stayed on. They work really well. I actually really like this brand, and I will be using these again. So yeah, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. If you have more, anything else you want to see me try, including some specific magnetic lashes, makeup, household products, anything like that, just let me know in the comment section down below. And thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.